Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello children, welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to learn about water animals, or we call it as aquatic animals or sea animals. Now, what are sea animals or aquatic animals? You must be thinking, right? Let me tell you. Animals that live in water are called sea animals or aquatic animals. Their houses are in water. They eat food in water. So their live in water. So let us learn about sea creatures or sea animals. Can you see the picture here? So many sea animals in the ocean. A big large water body are called ocean. And this is an ocean. So many animals here. Let us learn about water animals one by one. Whale. What is this? Whale. Whale is the largest animal that live in water. It was 2 fins to swim. Whales have a blowhole in the top of their head to breathe in. Next we are going to see shark. This is a shark. A shark is a fast swimmer. It is smaller than whale. The shark has sharp teeth. It has fins to swim in the water. Sharks are carnivores. That means they eat other animals. Let us see next animal. Sea turtle. This is a turtle. It is one of the oldest creatures in this world. Okay. Turtles generally live in water or sometime on land. A turtle has a shell that covers its body. Sea turtles have flippers for front limbs and webbed feet that help them to swim in water. Children, sea turtles lay eggs. The next one, dolphin. Dolphin is a freshwater animal. Dolphins are mammals. Dolphins can swim fast but cannot breathe under the water. Dolphin can communicate through sound. Next, octopus. An octopus is a sea animal with 8 arms. It has no bones in its body. The body of an octopus looks like a bag and has 2 large eyes. The body of the octopus moves as the octopus breathes. The next animal is crab. A crab is an animal with a flat body covered by a hard shell. It has 10 legs and 2 small eyes. It has no bones in its body and lives in the sea. Okay children, I hope you all are enjoying this class. Thank you. See you on the next class.